In this video, I will show you how to make transparent name in CapCut. Select the image and put on the timeline. Go to the video and make sure it should be checked canvas. Click on drop down, pick the color and select the black color. Go up and decrease the scale size to 20%. Click enter and drag it to the out of the screen. Then go to the library. Our sample video size is 17 seconds long, so make it to the 17 seconds. Then go to the text, pick the default text, put on the above layer, adjust to the image, type the name, make it bold, increase the size, select the both layer, right click and create compound clip. Click on that and go to the media, drag to the upper layer, select the media, drop to the below layer, click on the image layer, go to the video and here make sure it should be blend. Click the more drop down menu and there are multiple options: brighten, screen, darken and linear burn, multiply. So for this case I am selecting darken. Now play and here you can see your name has been transparent. So this is very simple and very easy. I hope you understand the video.